Hello everybody, my name is Ryan McKay, otherwise known as the Firehouse Chef, here to talk to you a little about something I get feedback all the time is how to cook a steak properly. Especially if you're in the kitchen and you're without a thermometer, well, two things you do have are your hands, and something I like to call the thumb rule. For those in the fire service, yes, we do use the thumb rule for helping us on the fire scene, pumping an engine, but you can also use it in the kitchen. And what I like to do is, if you take the flat of your thumb right here and you feel it, the squishy part where your muscle is, when you're pressing on this, it actually kind of gives you a good, authentic feel of what a steak should look like or feel like when you're actually cooking it to a specific temperature. So everybody take your hand right now and just relax it and press the bottom of your thumb. Right there is how a steak should feel when it's rare. Now, if you take your pointer finger and connect your thumb and your pointer finger together and press on it again, that should be medium rare. And if you follow the fingers, that should be medium, and then well, and then hockey puck. This is where guys throw you out of the station because you just burnt $10 worth of steak. So, the thumb rule.